Hey everyone, today I will present you Marvel Age of Ultron. So this is the Avengers. We'll start from the left side, and here we have Marvel's War Machine. As you see, we have here 7 sets, 7 figurine play sets. So let's go. Let's start from the Marvel War Machine. Black Iron Man, and here we have his enemy. At the back side you will see that it's a flying machine. Here we have, also we can collect all of them and build one huge robot. So let's open this one finally. Look here. Take this robot. So the figure is very detailed, I think. As you see here, legs and build it like this, I think, and attach this to the center. So we have a robot, like flying machine here with a robot inside of it. So Captain America we have. Back side you'll see some car, so let's open it. Let's take Captain America. That's a good figure. Okay, yes. So we can attach this. Captain America is Nick Fury against Ultron 007. Here, Nick Fury against this robot. Mark 43. We can attach this figure again, and you'll see Spider's leg here. Next one is our Thor. This one. Hawkeye, let's see, and here we have a tank. Okay, I can attach it here, I think. Okay, I can attach the last things. And the last one. Biggest figure here is Avengers, as you see, Hulk and Hulkbuster. So here we can put inside Iron Man this figure. It's sold separately, there's no figure inside. So And here we have the last black. Thank you very much for watching.